Hey guys, Tom from Sparking Nearby Electricians here. Just wanted to show you something in a switchboard we're working in. This is underneath an old timber staircase, which is even more scaring, but just want to show you the condition of these cables. Now this is called rubber insulated cabling, and you can see you got bare conductors there. You got the inner sheath. This stuff just cracks like boom, like that. But even worse, it melts off after a while. So pretty good examples of why people need to rewire, but we've got a particularly good one down here. Look at that, there's some really damaged insulation. But look at this, just bare wires. So all that would have taken was one of these wires when they're glowing red hot just to touch against one of these frames here, and then zap, you've got either someone getting electric shock or sparks starting a fire. And being under a timber staircase like this, well, you're probably not going to get out of your apartment building too quickly when your stairs on the bottom floor have caught on fire. So yeah, just another good reason to rewire. That's Tom from Sparking Nearby.